Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Byte. Today, we're going to be talking about the Oppo Reno 13. If you're looking for a new phone and wondering if this one's worth it, keep watching. I'll give you the breakdown on everything you need to know: design, performance, camera, and more. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Oppo Reno 13 comes with a sleek and modern look. The back has this cool gradient finish, and it feels pretty premium in your hand. It's definitely a head-turner with those sharp edges and the beautiful color choices. Now onto the display. The Reno 13 features a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and great visibility in bright conditions. Whether you're watching videos or gaming, the screen looks amazing. Next up is the camera. Oppo has always been pretty solid when it comes to their cameras, and the Reno 13 is no exception. It has a 50-megapixel main camera, and it takes really sharp photos in well-lit conditions. The details are impressive, and the colors pop without looking too overdone. There's also a wide-angle lens for those scenic shots. For selfies, the 32-megapixel front camera works great too, especially in well-lit areas. Oppo's AI is pretty good at enhancing your photos, so you always look your best. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 13 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset and comes with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. I ran a few apps and even some heavy games, and let me tell you, it's smooth sailing. Multitasking was no problem, and games ran without lag. You're definitely getting a solid performance here. As for the battery, it comes with a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, and with normal usage, it should last you all day. And if you need to juice it up quickly, Oppo's 67-watt SuperVoo C charging can get you to 100% in just about 40 minutes. Pretty fast, right? So, should you buy the Oppo Reno 13? If you're looking for a stylish phone with great performance, awesome cameras, and fast charging, then yes, this one's definitely worth considering. It checks all the boxes without breaking the bank. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Oppo Reno 13, or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.